Ooh.
Oh, look at this guy. He's really cute. I like him. Hello, cow. Hello. We have more cows.
Look at this one.
They're so cute.
Oh, he's like hitting ears.
We have another cattle drive.
Hello.
Yeah, it's like those cows are all standing in a line. Just sit and let them. Just sit and let them go.
Oh, just.
Moo.
They have right away. I'm not going to get any more close to them.
Hi, cows.
Look how cute these little ones are.
I know. I like
Mom
that
was
one.
telling them, like, move out of the way.
I like these. Hello.
And they got their Australian cattle dogs.
Hi. Hi. Moo. Moo.
It's our second cattle drive of the day.
Yeah, we had one in Colorado a few hours back. Like
Yeah.
3 times as many cows. It was so
Big
cool.
herd.
Yeah, it was awesome. Have a great day.
Too.
Bye, puppies. Look at all the Australian cattle dogs. Very cool.